Hey guys, Terry here, aka Lucrative Soldier, aka Terry Farmer Official on IG, bringing you my next issue. So, we're rolling and go to roll down my window and we have an issue. Doesn't want to work. So, I'm not sure if maybe when I went and got my car washed, the people that cleaned it may have did something. I'm not sure if maybe my kids playing with it may have did something. I can't even tell you. What I can tell you is we have an issue. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that in this video. I'm going to tell you, first thing I thought about is my extended warranty. So I called up Subaru, made an appointment, and I started thinking like, I want to take advantage of my extended warranty, but it's going to cost me $100 to use my extended warranty. How much is it going to cost to replace this switch? So, of course, I go on eBay, find the switch. I paid 60 bucks on eBay for the switch. So I said, well, buddy, hold on to the extended warranty. Let's do this, flip it out. 60 bucks, a little bit of manual labor, and get it done. So for this video, we're gonna go ahead and take off the door panel and remove the whole electric windows, power mirrors, the little console over there, and replace it. So stay tuned, check it out. Okay, so door panel removal is pretty simple. We have a Phillips head screw right here, Phillips head screw right here that we both remove both of, and then we pry the panel off, lift up. So we're gonna do that now. Have your tools. Have to disconnect those and unplug the power windows, etc. And then don't forget to unplug your open door illuminating light. So to remove the electric window switch, we have to take out that screw and that screw. So there you go, that's all it is to it. Okay, so here's our replacement unit that we picked up off of eBay. And as you can see, looks perfect, looks brand new. Just hope it operates like brand new, which I'm sure it will. And okay, and word of advice, be careful with the power tools. You are screwing into plastic, so it's gonna be easy to strip it. Just take it easy. If you're not comfortable with using your power tools like that, use a regular Phillips head screwdriver. All done. All we gotta do, put the door panel back on, same as taking it off. We'll go through it. Before you reinstall your door panel, make sure you didn't leave any of these white plugs in the door. If you did, just carefully pry them out and slip them back into the slot that it's missing from. Then you want to go through and make sure you put these back on each one. So some of them stayed on and some of them were stuck on the door. So you just got to pay attention, check them out, see which ones are missing, if any, and find them on the door, or maybe they fail. All right. So reinstall is basically the reverse of what we have done already. First, we start with plugging the light back in, then going to our power windows and door locks. And then when you're doing this, just be mindful of your speaker. So you're not, punching a hole in it with the door panel. All right, once you have those plugged in, go back up, reinstall your door handle switches. That's it. Lift it up. Make sure it hooks on the top, front and back. And push everything back in. You'll hear them all pop. And just confirm that it is properly seated and flat around all the edges. Okay, so I didn't think to test the switch before I put the door panel on, so I'm gonna do that now, but I wanted to let you know ahead of time. You should do that before putting the door panel back on. That way, if something's not working right, you don't have to go through the whole process of removing the door panel again. All right, so thankfully everything's looking good and we are good to go. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. I will be not sure how long it's going to take to get to 60,000 miles. That's 2,000 miles away. So I will be taking it in for the big service, and I will keep you guys posted. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please comment down below, and of course, thumbs up this video. Job done. Now I can relax and have a drink. Peace.